Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gray hair dye is probably one of the most transformative beauty products for those embracing or concealing silver strands. Whether you're looking to blend away grays, achieve a bold new look, or simply enhance your natural color, the right permanent dye can make all the difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of gray hair dye, exploring the best options and what you need to know before you color. Number 5. Revlon Colorsilk 11 Soft Black, Pack of 3. This is a hair color kit. It provides a nourishing, ammonia-free formula for your hair. It delivers 100% gray coverage. You can get rich, natural-looking, multidimensional color with shine that lasts. The color is designed to look natural. It will enhance your hair's beauty. It features a no-mess, non-drip formula. The precision applicator makes at-home application easy from root to tip. Try it today and see the difference. This product is a great choice for anyone looking for beautiful hair color. What we like. This hair dye offers an ammonia-free formula, which is gentle on your hair. It also provides 100% gray coverage, ensuring a natural look. If you are looking for a simple, effective solution for covering grays at home, this is a great choice. What people say. It stays for longer time too. Easy to use and color is as described after application. Great coverage and it looks natural. Number 4. Garnier Nutrisse 11 Blackest Black Hair Dye. This is the darkest black hair dye, featuring cool tones. It nourishes your hair while coloring, adapting to all textures. You'll get radiant, long-lasting, and even color, with 100% gray coverage. This hair color kit includes a unique fruit oil ampoule. You simply snap and pour it directly into the mix. After coloring, use the conditioner infused with 5 fruit oils to complete the process. This hair color is specially formulated for gray hair coverage. It uses color boost technology to deliver rich and long-lasting color. It ensures complete coverage, leaving your hair looking vibrant. The formula includes a blend of avocado, olive, coconut, argan, and shea oils. These oils lock in moisture and color. The after-color mask leaves your hair smooth, silky, and protected from dryness. Garnier Nutrisse offers bold and lasting shades for all hair textures. It is available in over 60 cruelty-free and vegan shades. The product is formulated without any animal-derived ingredients. What we like. This product is infused with nourishing fruit oils, which helps to keep your hair healthy. It also provides long-lasting color and adapts to all hair textures. If you have dry or damaged hair and want vibrant color, this is a great option. What people say. The color came out beautifully, rich, warm, and with just the right hint of red and gold tones. It really brought my hair to life and gave it a healthy-looking shine. The coverage is excellent, even on grays, and the color stays vibrant for weeks without fading quickly. Number 3. Madison Amalfi Blonde Hair Color Kit. Tired of expensive salon visits? This kit gives you multi-dimensional, salon-quality results that last. Many users refresh their color every 2 months to keep it looking its best. This formula is infused with keratin, argan oil, and ginseng root extract. An independent study shows that it improves the condition of your hair. It's also dermatologist-tested, ammonia-free, and gentle on all hair types. This product expertly covers even the most stubborn grays. It provides rich, even coverage from roots to ends, so your color stays vibrant between applications. Each kit includes everything you need for flawless color at home. You'll get the radiant cream color, conditioning color activator, barrier cream, cleansing wipe, gloves, cap, shampoo and conditioner, and step-by-step instructions. Join others who trust this product to keep their color consistent. Subscribe and save for automatic delivery every 2 months. Enjoy color that's always fresh, never faded. What we like. This kit delivers salon-quality results with a nourishing formula. It includes everything you need for a flawless application. If you like the convenience of a complete kit and desire professional-looking results at home, then you should consider this. What people say. Great color, I love it. It comes with everything you need. Better gloves, skin barrier, a cleansing wipe for after, and best of all a cap. Also the shampoo and conditioner is amazing and makes your hair super soft. The color turns out warm, bright, and beautifully golden, exactly what I was looking for. It looks natural, brightens up my face, and has no unwanted yellow tones. Number 2. L'Oréal Paris Excellence Crème 5 Medium Brown. This hair dye provides complete coverage, even for the most stubborn gray hairs. The formula is designed to ensure every strand is colored, leaving you with a vibrant and consistent result. It includes a caring after-color shampoo and a deep conditioner. The shampoo cleanses the scalp and hair, while the conditioner provides up to 8 weeks of care. The hair color is formulated with Pro-Keratin Complex. This helps to protect the hair as it colors, ensuring it remains healthy and strong throughout the process. This non-drip creme formula is suitable for all hair types. It comes in 30 shades, so you can find the perfect color for your unique style. L'Oréal Paris combines the latest technology with the highest quality. They offer a range of products for hair color, hair care, skin care, and cosmetics. What we like. This hair dye features a triple care color routine, ensuring deep care for your hair. It provides 100% gray coverage and is formulated with Pro-Keratin for protection. If you need a product that not only covers grays but also cares for your hair, then this is the one for you. What people say. The kit's easy to use with the pre-mixed colorant and developer, and it gave me 100% gray coverage that held up through a few washes, plus the conditioner left it salon smooth. Most importantly, it covers her grays completely and lasts for weeks without fading. It's easy to use, dependable, affordable, and gives good gray coverage. Number 1. L'Oréal Paris Excellence Crème 6A Light Ash Brown. This hair dye provides complete coverage for gray hairs. It is designed to cover even the most stubborn grays, ensuring a uniform color. The product includes a special routine to care for your hair. It includes a shampoo and conditioner designed to cleanse and smooth your hair, leaving it radiant. The formula is enriched with Pro-Keratin Complex. This helps to protect your hair while coloring it, ensuring it stays healthy. This non-drip creme formula is suitable for all hair types. It comes in a range of shades to suit your preferences. L'Oréal Paris combines the latest technology with high quality. This product is part of a complete beauty care line. What we like. This hair dye features a triple care color routine, ensuring deep care for your hair. It provides 100% gray coverage and is formulated with Pro-Keratin for protection. If you need a product that not only covers grays but also cares for your hair, then this is the one for you. What people say. The kit's easy to use with the pre-mixed colorant and developer, and it gave me 100% gray coverage that held up through a few washes, plus the conditioner left it salon smooth. Most importantly, it covers her grays completely and lasts for weeks without fading. It's easy to use, dependable, affordable, and gives good gray coverage. Smiley face. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.